My name is Ashley Profit. I'm a staff research and development engineer, and I am responsible for leading all of the R&D activities for the project progress. This cycle testing has been a pain point for us for decades, probably. We wanted something that would increase the cycle time. We want to have better throughput for each device per day, and we really wanted it to be completely hands-off. Our previous method being so manual, we wanted something where it can be a foot pedal or a button click, and the operator doesn't have any muscle fatigue of increased repetition over and over again. This system has allowed us to completely remove all of the operator interaction with the device. We do all testing indicated by a foot pedal or the button on the computer. This has allowed us to create the test methods and programs so that when we reach DV testing, we can jump right in, we can expedite this reliability testing that we have to perform and not miss a beat. I've been pleasantly surprised since I've received this that we can just start utilizing it right away. There's been almost no learning curve. I think it took me probably about 10 minutes to get up to speed. It's super easy to use. The Blockly software is really easy to drag and drop. You can configure all of the cylinders individually. You can add in the wait times or wait for user input. We've had no issues programming multiple different sequences, and it's been great because myself, other engineers, other technicians have been programming and using it so far with no issues. We wanted something that would be beneficial for the R&D department over years to come, not just for this specific project. So when we looked into purchasing this, we saw all the potential for us to adapt it to other projects, other franchises, and I think that it'll be a really good resource moving forward.